And that is how you start a video, folks. So welcome to Chris All Motorcycles and welcome to the channel and another episode. Today we've got the iconic and fairly legendary 1973 Kawasaki KH500, and I thought I'd start that video a bit backwards today as opposed to the normal way, due to the fact of kicking it up with a camera and a microphone in my hand is always a challenge. So I've just enrolled Mr. Hull there to start it for us, and that's how we start our video. And now the smell in the building, oh god, every time I do this I wish I could get smell-o-vision going, because it's just it's beautiful, folks. So yeah, like I say, I've got 1973 Kawasaki KH500. Oh, and the sound, the smells, the whole everything about it is just, oh, it's just beautiful. Sends shivers up your spine. So let's just have a quick cheeky walk round of this iconic bike. And yeah, so we've heard it starts and runs sweet as a nut. And the more we start it, the better it's getting, because it's been stood a bit, but yeah, getting better and better. So let's just have enough waffling, let's have a look at the metal. Okay, starting at the back of the bike. Paintwork on this bike is really nice with the chrome handle there. Tyre condition is very nice. Working his way around, we've got the 3x3 chrome expansion pipes. Like I said, paintwork is very nice on this bike, real good quality. And again, the engine, it just sits really nice, doesn't it? Just really nice. Obviously got the steering damper there, working his way up to the dashboard. Speedo showing 9,446. Obviously got no way of knowing that. As you know, this is a US import. It's been in the country a while though, but just a real nice clean KH500. You don't see many of these around these days, or we don't. You used to see a lot of them at one point. This side is equally as nice as the other side. Sorry for the voices in the background. They've all decided to talk quite loudly, so I can only apologise there. And again, this side, lovely and clean. It really is. They're giving directions in the background, so I can apologise. Let me lift this seat up. In fact, let me just close door. Sorry folks, all we can hear is that lot. You've got directions to the train station if you wanted that, but anyway. So let me just lift this seat up. Oh, there we go. So yeah, just to give you a bit of an idea of under seat. Nice to see. Previous owner left a set of plugs in there and a rag under the seat there for you as well. Okay guys, so there we go. With the bike I've got a bit of paperwork, not loads, bits and bobs, some invoices for some parts and what have you, and bits and bobs like that, but nothing comprehensive. Nice example, starts and runs lovely, iconic bike. If you've got any, we can offer nationwide or international delivery on this bike. Finance we'd have to have a look at on a one-to-one basis. If you've got any questions, give me a shout, 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrisallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you are wanting to come down and look at the bike in person, you're more than welcome. If you're travelling, just give us a call before you set off, just to make sure the bike is in stock and available for viewing. If you want to see some close-up photos of the bike, just click on the link below to our website, where you'll see a bit of a description as well, and 15 to 20 photos of the bike, which you can zoom in, etc, etc. But other than that, guys, that's me done on this one. That is it's such a nice bike, such a legendary bike that. So that's me done on this one. Don't forget, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. It really does help the algorithm for the YouTube channel. And until next time, stay safe, folks, and look forward to seeing you. And if you're passing Doncaster, the kettle is always on, folks. Right, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, stay safe. Cheers.